My new electric cooler. It is a 32 quart, I believe. And you plug it in. It's got little cup holders. And you plug it in over here in the back. And then you can plug it into an outlet, or you can plug it into your car. And I absolutely love this baby. It comes with a fridge and a freezer. Of course, it's full. Let me pull it out a little bit more. So we got the refrigerator part and the cooler part. You set your temperatures right here. You can go up or down, make it cooler or hotter. I can bring water, which I have in here, and food and beverages of all sorts. I plug it into my car, and when I travel, I have cold drinks and food when I get to my destination, and then I can just plug it into an outlet. It is the most amazing invention ever. I used to not be able to take a bunch of food with me because it didn't stay well on ice or whatever. But this cooler is amazing.
Perfect. $58 liters. Perfect. Especially for a truck.